All right, so a little backstory, guys. I was mowing my lawn, and my Bilt automatic transmission Bronco lawnmower with a 42-inch deck just quit on me. I did some research, tried to crank it, wouldn't start, wouldn't even crank, which means to me that it wasn't getting anything going to the starter. So I did some research, and they said the main fuse may be blown. Looked on YouTube, and everyone kept saying, oh, it'll be the main fuse is attached to the back wall battery compartment, which is somewhere down here, like here, blah 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 blah. Come to really find out that it was actually inside the battery. Excuse me. It was inside the battery compartment. You had to take out the shelf that the battery was sitting on, and it's actually on this line itself. It was not attached to any wall of anything back here. It was actually attached to the line. So if you have a lawnmower like mine and you're looking for that, that's where that is. Here was that fuse, and you can tell obviously that bad boy is blown right there. So I'm going to install it and see what comes up. Be right back. Okay, y'all, moment of truth. I reinstalled the fuse, hooked the battery back up. Let's see what we got. We got brake in, get ready to crank. There it is. There it is. That's the fix. If you guys had that problem, lawnmower shut off, won't even crank, won't even turn over at all, you know exactly what to do now. Now to go ahead and mow this dang yard. Have a good one, y'all.